ना कर जाऊं, लेकिन मुझे कहा जा रहा है कि कुछ छोटी सी बात आपको बताऊं। आई थिंक सबसे पहले तो मुबारकबाद के बाद कि आपको ये मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि आप लोगों की शायद एम में, लाइफ में ये एम रहा हो कि जी सिर्फ हम चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स बने, लेकिन मैं आपको बताऊं एक्चुअली चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स का जो क्वालिफिकेशन है, इट जस्ट प्रोवाइड्स यू अ पेडेस्टल, इट्स अ बिगिनिंग पॉइंट इन योर लाइफ। आई वुड से योर लाइफ हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड, और यहाँ से आपने अपनी ज़िंदगी बनानी शुरू करनी है और ज़िंदगी बनाने के बारे में सोचेंगे आप। और ये पेडेस्टल आपको this pedestal provides you or enables you to get to the stars. Remember this thing. अब जब मैं ये कहता हूँ कि आपने क्वालिफाई किया और आपको गोल्स बड़े हाई करने चाहिए, तो गोल्स में फाइनेंशियल और वर्ल्डली सक्सेसेस आर नॉट जस्ट इनफ. Another thing is very important. Try to be a very good human being, or which is very important. Unless you are not a good human being, you can't be a good professional. And secondly, हमारी जो educated elite है, यही आजकल I believe कि ये represent कर सकती है, Muslims का ambassador बन सकती है, क्योंकि आजकल unfortunately Muslims and terrorists are just mixed up. और आप हमारे एम्बेसडर बन सकते हैं और लोगों को बता सकते हैं कि these are two different words, and good Muslims are always good human beings and good professionals in their lives. Thank you very much.
To please file a single line on the left side. Now I would like to request the council member Mr. Muhammad Abdullah Yusuf, FCA, to come on stage and confer the certificates to the graduate. Please give him a big hand. Ghulam Abbas. Atif Ali. Atiq Rashid. Muhammad Alim Zubair. Rafkat Hussain. Waqas Ahmed. Sarwar Shamim. These were the people of the batch of winter 2008 and summer 2008. Before continuing for the next year, we would like to take a break for 15 minutes. The graduates to share their point of views after this table, table number 10. Khizr Hayat. Muhammad Usman Tahir Faruqi. Mehdi Raza Java. Parvez. I think that are all the people from table 10. Now I would like our guest to share a few words with us, please. Give him a big hand.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mr. Saqib Masood, President ICAP, Hafiz Yusuf, Vice President North, distinguished past presidents, council members, and the young chartered accountants, Assalamu alaikum. Well, I think we've had maybe a bit too much of a dose for the youngsters, and I would like to mention a little bit different suggestion for you, perhaps, because if you take my own example, after having qualified from England, I decided to come back to Pakistan, and then having come back to Pakistan, then I took a route which is not normally taken by the chartered accountants particularly, and that was to go and serve the government of Pakistan. Now I think, honestly, there is a lot of need for chartered accountants like yourselves to also go and spend time in the public sector, in the government, which is certainly perhaps not as rewarding and not as encouraging. But then if we are not going to take some initiatives and try and fill those huge gaps that we have today, who is going to come and do it for us? We have to do it, and that also is a challenge and a responsibility, I believe. When I look back, to be very honest, I could have been, one of the senior partners in some of the big firms or whatever, or I could have ended up as a CEO of some multinational or something like that. Fine, very good. But having taken this route, I actually ended up as the senior most bureaucrat of the government of Pakistan. And I had the opportunity basically to try and contribute in whatever manner possible the national policy of the country. And I think that's the greatest opportunity that one gets or can get. So that was basically my motivating factor, and I have no regrets whatsoever. We certainly lose out on a lot of perks and other things which you otherwise would be getting elsewhere. But then, if you have that type of a commitment towards the country, I think you will be doing a great service to the country, and also learning a lot, by the way. One thinks that maybe, that is an area where you really don't learn anything. I feel that you learn a lot, because the exposure you get, the sort of exposure you get, is not only on national, it's even on international basis. So this is one thing other than what you have been told by so many of my senior colleagues. And I thought I would like to share this part of the experience and try to also motivate you to consider going into this particular domain as well. And once again, best of luck, all the best wishes. We are really very happy to see a gathering like this in this type of a forum, and we certainly would like to continue this type of sessions or occasions for the future as well. And thank you so much, and once again, God bless you.
Students of 2008 to kindly come up and share their thoughts with us. Anyone who's willing?
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum and good evening. My name is Imran al-Haq. I have qualified chartered accountancy in year 2008, and to become a chartered accountant is obviously a real honor. I still remember the day when I entered the institute and get myself registered being a student, and I wish that one day I will be a chartered accountant, and God, I will thank God, Allah Almighty, and my parents, and on behalf of my mates, I would like to thank all parents who have supported their children and guided them. Obviously, without them, it won't be possible for them to become a chartered accountant. And I could see my seniors, my partners, Imran Afzal Saab, Maqbool Saab, Ami Choi Saab, they always supported us, guided us. So on behalf of my co-mates, I would thank them, thank all our seniors that they have supported us a lot. And rest assured, sir, all of you, that future of chartered accountants is bright. These all young bloods have high motives, and they will keep abreast and would inshallah lead the institute to excellence and will lead their country. Thank you very much. And one thing more, I would like to thank Northern Regional Committee who have arranged this night for us and honored us in this manner. Thank you very much.